I'm going to open up a different file now to work on, which will be a tombstone, and we're going to add it to this poster to give it a little bit more of an effect. So let's open that file. And let's give some effect to the tombstone, making sure that the color picker is in the default plus foreground black, background white. We'll go into Render Difference Clouds. So I have a little more drama to the tombstone. Now let's go into the contrast brightness adjustment layer and pump the brightness up plus 70. And we'll go into the channel mixer adjustment layer. With the output in green, let's make the green plus 37. I'll just dial it in. And the blue 108. So we've changed the color to 37 and 8, which is a light green. Now we'll go into the exposure layer. And we'll adjust the exposure to plus 0.9. Which makes it even brighter. Now we're going to go back and undo some of these steps. So I'm going to go back to Difference Clouds. That wipes everything out, but grays everything below Difference Clouds. So we can go back to those steps because we've still got them there. We haven't destroyed anything in the image. This is called non-destructive editing. Let's start from Difference Clouds and try something new. I'm going to add some noise. So we're going to filter noise, add noise. We'll add 3% to give it a grainier look, and Gaussian. So now you can see that what's below Difference Clouds is no longer what was below before. All of those edits were wiped out. We started from Difference Clouds to add noise as the new non-destructive edit. So we have noise to make the tombstone grainier, makes it look older. Now we'll add some lighting effects. Go into the filter menu. I have a slow computer here. We'll go to flashlight. bring it to the top of the tombstone. Let's get a color here. Make it light blue. That's good. Ambience is going to be 46. So it's just over the top of the tombstone. So we'll click OK. We'll accept these lighting effects. Let's do 2 up vertical. And we're going to move the tombstone to the movie poster. Down to here. I think I'd like it a little darker than that. Okay. And let's stop here on this part. Move to the last part next.